Alright guys, back once again, Joseph James here from the schooloftrade.com in our 7-part series. Mistake number 7 is revenge. And of course what I mean by that is revenge trading, over trading, or impulse trading. So mistake number 7 is going to be succumbing to the revenge trading or over trading. In other words, we're not using our rules to tell us when to stop trading. So how do we avoid this stuff? Well, again, those mechanical rules. The mechanical rules that we follow should not only tell us when to get in the market, when to get out of the market, but they also need to tell us when to do nothing at all. So those mechanical rules should tell us when to stop trading. Now, there are certain times during each trader's career where you will have to stop trading. It will happen. The markets change. Your setups have a little bit less profitability than we would like, right? Whether it be because you are personally making bad trading decisions or the market simply may not be there for you profitability, well, we need to have rules in place that tell us when to stop trading. We also want to have rules tell us what to do if something goes wrong. In other words, what happens if we're in a trade and something happens? So price action stops or price action speeds up or we come across the value area. Right? In other words, our rules will tell us what to do if something goes wrong. That's going to prevent us from over trading. And of course, those rules need to be clear, well-defined, and be in conjunction with our high percentage setups. So those mechanical rules that we keep talking about, they need to be very clear and well-defined, telling us exactly what to look for, when to look for it, and then what to do when we see it happen on our screens. Guys, as new traders or veteran traders, we never want to leave anything to interpretation, because once interpretation comes involved, we have to then start thinking, and as human beings, when we start thinking about things, emotions come into play, we start over trading, we revenge trade, and we use impulse, right? Emotional impulses to decide when we enter the market. Guys, we need to avoid that stuff, and to avoid that, we look for clear and well-defined rules that have a command over high percentage trade setups that tell us what to look for, when to look for it, when to take the trade, when not to take the trade, what to do if something goes wrong inside of the trade, and of course how to use our high percentage trade setups. In addition, we always want to remind you that we use our discipline cycle. That discipline cycle is going to help produce disciplined traders every step of the way. And discipline is the first thing that we need, right? That is that first block of our foundation as traders to avoid eventually over trading, revenge trading, and impulse trading. Okay, we'll talk about that discipline cycle in our free webinars as part of our free trial. So come out and join our free trial. Send us an email, sales@schooloftrade.com, and we'll get you the information you need. Now, consistency and discipline is the secret, right? We all know that word consistency, but consistently following our rules, consistently avoiding over trading and revenge trading, and most importantly, right, those mechanical rules. If we do it with consistency, we'll be very familiar with what it looks like, and we can do it every single day mechanically with confidence. Mistake number 7 is revenge trading, over trading, or impulse trading. My name is Joseph James, guys. Hope the video helps. We'll see you next time.